Today we are going to talk about an online company offering specialty coffee from Colombia, and it's based here in Bahrain. I first found this company through an ad on Instagram, and after going through their page, I quickly fell in love with their concept. So I took an executive decision to order me some Colombian coffee from Colombia. Their website's simplicity made it so easy to go through their options and order online. And that's what I love the most about it. Now, besides your one-time purchase coffee, Beanboat Coffee also offers a weekly, bi-weekly, and a monthly coffee subscription. And the best part is, you get to choose your bag size, roast type, either medium or dark, and grind size. And what's cool about the grind size is they have cute little icons that indicate the perfect grind size for the method of brew that you prefer. Now, enough talking about the company itself. I have ordered, boom, my own coffee. And right off the bat, paper bag, no plastic. We got their logo, Beanboat. In the back it says, "Thanks for coming on board." We also have a sticker here of their logo to show you that, it's closed, safe, All right, I'm excited to open this. Whoops. All right, the bag itself is pretty cool. We have a nice picture of what seems to be an old man in front of a forest. Probably it's the place where the coffee beans were grown at. The old guy also has a dog with him. On the back it says, "Our story. The farmers who sustain our diets have a hard time nourishing their families. This is due to the influence of the middlemen who take away most of the profit, as they are more involved with supply chains. By buying from the farmers directly, we not only drop the middleman and increase profit for the farmers, but also save family-owned farms." And also, it says 100% Arabica, single origin, which is from Colombia, medium roast, variety, Castello. The farmer's name is Pedro Maya. So Mr. Pedro, thank you for your service, dude. The process is honey, and there are a lot of types of processing for coffee beans. I'm not gonna get into the detail because I don't know them. And I ordered this for my French press that I got from IKEA. So Beanboat.com, you got their website on the back. Your contribution directly influences the life of the farmers who produce these beans, and this is a Bahraini initiative grown in Colombia. I really love this. I really love the packaging. The coffee smells absolutely amazing. Let me show you a quick see. Hope you can see what's written on the back. It's pretty cool, right? You got this one here also. And let me see. Don't you just love the smell of coffee? Oh, it smells so good. Now, we talked about the company's origins. The company is a Bahraini-based company helping a lot of farmers in Colombia to sustain their life and provide for their family. Now, enough about that. Let's go and make some French press and review the coffee all together. Okay, so we made our coffee the French press style. Color's pretty cool. The smell is amazing. Just Dude. Oh my goodness. This is really, really good. Alright. Now, the coffee is really good. The website is very simple, makes it easy for you to order. And those are, in my opinion, the pros of the company. The Beanboat Coffee, they have a great variety of coffees to choose from. As I mentioned earlier, you can customize it to your own preference, whether it was for an AeroPress, French press, V60, Chemex, whatever method you choose to do at home. I'm sure the coffee beans they provide is high quality and you would definitely love what you drink. And based on my experience with ordering from the Beanboat Coffee is, if you go to their website, you'll see they have a bunch of coffee equipments like a Chemex or an AeroPress, if I'm not mistaken. So they have a couple of equipments that they sell to make coffee. And unfortunately, they've been out of stock, and they've been out of stock for a long time. You know, I wish they would get some equipments because, to be honest, I want to upgrade my French press and probably get a Chemex and a V60 and change the way I make coffee. Yeah, because the brewing method also affects the taste and overall coffee experience. The other con is the customer service. When I ordered, no one called me to confirm the order. Although I received a text, it would have been nice for someone to call me and say, "Hey, Ali, we got your order. We will have it delivered to your home by tomorrow, let's say 2 p.m. No one ever called me, so I didn't know how to arrange myself and I didn't know how to schedule my day because of that unknown factor. They will deliver it, I just don't know what time. Also, when I called them to follow up on the order, the person who answered, whoever you are, you're a nice guy, he addressed me by my name. He's like, "Oh, is this Ali? Yeah, we'll have your order delivered. No worries." But I felt like it wasn't a conversation. It was very quick. It was very rushed. However busy you are as a business, you don't want to make your customer feel like they're a burden. If I'm gonna invest my money and call you, I better feel welcomed. That's my own personal opinion. And I believe that most of the successful companies run the same way. So if you really want to be successful, if you want to create loyal customers, make sure you treat them in a right way. It's not that he did something wrong. He probably might have been really busy, couldn't keep track of the conversation, but there was no effort to connect. However, I will definitely make an order again because of how good the coffee is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to give a special thank you to the Beanboat Coffee for delivering such amazing coffee beans all the way from farmers from Colombia. So thank you very much. Keep doing what you do, and I'm gonna keep ordering from you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below where your favorite coffee place is, and don't forget to always have a coffee a day.